Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you what settings do you need to adjust on your welding machine after you connected the orbital champ welding enhancer to achieve a perfect weld. The parameters which you can set on the welding enhancer, I mentioned it in a previous video, so I will not go over those again. To be able to weld at all, we need to set the welding machine to TIG welding, high frequency arc ignition, and 4T mode. The 4T mode involves the start and stop welding impulses. If you were welding manually, the start welding impulse would be the time we hold down the button at the beginning of the welding process, and the stop impulse would be the time we hold down the button at the end of the welding process. Thus, the first parameter we need to set is the gas pre-flow time, which determines how long we deoxygenate or weld from the chrome side before welding. The starting impulse should be set half a second longer than this to ensure arc ignition. The next parameter is the starting current, which determines the current strength after arc ignition and the duration it takes for the current to reach the main current, known as the current ramp-up time. Naturally, we also need to set the main current. There are welding machines that can vary the welding current between two values, rather than maintaining a constant current, which is especially recommended for pipe welding. Here, we can set the base current alongside the main current, which will be the other value between which the current strength will constantly vary. We can also set the frequency of the current variation and the ratio. Once we set the settings in place, we only need to set the rundown parameters. The current rundown time is the time during which the welding current decreases the final current, which we can also set. The current rundown time and the stop welding impulse always match. The last parameter we need to set is the gas pre-flow time, which provides gas protection after the welding. It's important to highlight that every welding machine is different, and it's recommended to read the user manual of each welding machine before welding.